Hi everyone, so welcome back to part 3. Hopefully you've had a bit of a play around with some of the settings. What I'm going to do now is teach you how to add some pages to your digital portfolio and just how to basically set up a menu type system so you can have multiple pages on your website. So if we come up to the button here, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's the new page button, and if you press that, it will ask you to name your page. So I've started my digital portfolio. I might do an About Me page. Something maybe to briefly tell parents, students and the wider community a little bit about myself. You'll notice that your page automatically gets a URL. You want to set the template as a web page, okay? And then it asks you to set a location, and at the moment we're going to make that top level, and I'll explain to you when you might actually choose different types of levels to put your pages in, but for now we'll leave it at top level and hit create. Okay, and you can see that my page is now being created, and it instantly starts to let me edit inside here. So I teach at Oliphant College, and obviously you could put in a bit more information. I'm just showing you as an example, and if I press the home page, I'll go back to that other page that I was on. Okay. Let's add another page. So new page again. I'm going to call it subjects. So this will be a quick page to introduce some of the subjects I teach. And again, I'm going to leave everything here as is and hit create. Okay, and I might have a quick spiel about some of the subjects that I teach, maybe a background of where you've taught in the past in those areas. It's probably just a quick introduction in terms of what you teach. And go back to new page again. Okay, I'll put here Year 12 Computer Gaming. Now I'm going to actually put it in a different type of location. I'm going to put it under the subjects page, okay, because I teach computer gaming, which is a subject. You can choose a different location as well, but it fits fine for me now. And you'll notice now that the page actually sort of has this down arrow, and it slides nicely with the subjects page. So in here, etc., etc. So hopefully that gives you a quick idea about how to add pages. It's a pretty self-explanatory type of way of doing it. You can have different types of ways in terms of showing links, so you can have them running up the top. You can have them as images, but we can go into that in a little bit more detail. Just to get your website up and running in terms of putting up subjects and pages, you can do it like that. On a quick note now, if I was back on my home page and I went to new page, and I was about to add another subject, just be aware that because I was on my home page, it would want to add it under home. I actually don't want that. I want it under subjects, so you could go and change that. Okay, so just be aware of that. And once you hit create, you can see now that I've got my Year 11 Computer Gaming page set up. That's it for now. Another video coming up shortly.